everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks for joining me today, and thank you so much for subscribing. Today is day number 4 of our 12 days of Christmas. So Dear Santa is the theme for today, and I thought that I would use this Dear Santa paper from Ciao Bella. It is so pretty, you guys. I have been kind of hoarding it. And so I thought, it'd be nice to just go ahead and take this out and kind of do something with it. And so I thought I would do a little layout using some photos that I had from a while back. This is my oldest granddaughter, Remini, when she was a baby. And then this is my family. This is before Fallon and Elise had their kids. And then Remini had her 2 sisters. So yeah, so a long time ago. so I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do a layout with that. I am going to cut this piece out that says Dear Santa on it. I looked through the paper and there isn't another saying that says Dear Santa on here. And I thought we would use this paper right here. This one has a little mailbox and it has little letters, and I thought that would be fun. So we're going to use that. And then there are some other items in this paper pack that I thought would be really fun to use. Oh, there's this one too. I don't know what we're going to... I still like this one. I think we'll use this one. And there are some other items in here that I may be using. So we will have to just take a look at this beautiful paper. It is so, so pretty. Absolutely love this paper. It's gorgeous. So there's that. There's the little Santa. I love the back pages too. If you haven't seen them yet, they're absolutely gorgeous. So, so pretty. So there's that. I love that Santa. And so yeah, so we're going to be using a couple of things from here. And I don't know if I'm going to cut out this Santa or if I might cut out this one. I haven't decided yet. So I'm going to leave that here. And all right, so we're going to go ahead and get started, okay? So yeah. So okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and cut this out, and yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get started. So to begin, I went ahead and I am just matting my photos down on some red cardstock. And my photos are about 2.5 by 3. And then this one is, I believe, a little bit under 4 by 6. I don't know exactly what the measurement is. Let's see. I think it's like 4.5 by 3, and so that is the size of the larger photo. Next, I decided to go ahead and lay down my photos and add that Dear Santa right on top of the 2 smaller ones. Since my little granddaughter is talking to Santa, I thought that was super cute. I did add some foam tape to some of my pieces here, and if you have been with me before when I do my layouts, y'all know I love using my foam tape. So I love raising up the words and flowers and things like that. I think it just adds a little bit to the page and gives it a nice 3D effect. So I hope that you guys are getting ready for your Christmases and have your tree all done and everything. I am still working on my tree. Have not gotten that up yet, but I plan on doing that here in the next few days. So I am pretty excited about that. So yeah, so we are going to be decorating our tree, and we finished the outside, which looks really nice. And so I hope that you guys did too. So let me know in the comments below if you have already put up all your Christmas stuff.
So here I'm laying down my larger photo, and then I'm getting ready to go ahead and pop up the Santa that I fussy cut out from the collection. Next, I wanted to add some of the little stamps that were in the cut aparts as well, and I cut out 3 of them, and I think that they look super cute. And I put 2 up above where it says Dear Santa, and then I put one which is a reindeer right near the Santa and reindeer and my granddaughter. That looked really super cute. Again, I just went ahead and placed foam tape on the back of these stamps, and then I stuck them on top of one another to give it a little layered effect. And here I'm adding foam tape to the back of the poinsettia as well, and I'm going to place that right on top of the mailbox. Next, I went ahead and added some stickles to the deer and Santa, and then I added some stickles to the poinsettias and the little berries.
Okay, you guys, so here is our finished page, and I think it turned out beautifully. I absolutely love this paper. I went ahead and fussy cut out the Santa, stuck on some little holly and a flower, cut out some of the little stamps that were in the set, and cut out this little Dear Santa, which is actually the name of the paper collection. So thank you guys again for joining me. Don't forget to click on Kim Murray's YouTube channel, which is down below in the description box. Thank you guys again. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.
Thanks for joining me today, y'all. Don't forget that down here in both of these corners, I have some more fun crafty videos for you to view. And don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming live shows, tutorials, videos, and more.